Good evening, Jai Shri Krishna everyone. Let's sit comfortably and easily. जहाँ बेबी है वहाँ पे आराम से बैठ जाएं. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद कर दें. Take a long deep breath. And let go. ओंकार बिंदु संयुक्तम नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Take few long deep breaths. Keep your spine erect. कमर बिल्कुल सटी हुई सीधी, गर्दन सीधी, नजर सामने की ओर, आंखें बंद. Keep your hands wide open, facing the sky or the ceiling. With a smile, take a long deep breath and let go. Breathe out. Take another long deep breath and let go. We'll chant Omkar 3 times. Take a long deep breath for Omkar. ओमकार के लिए लंबी गहरी सांस भरेंगे. As you breathe out, relax your body, be centered, just be witness of your body, your breath and the mind. With a smile, take another long deep breath and breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Namaskar everyone. Let's start shaking both the hands. With a smile, loosen up your body. Keep shaking. Shake a little faster. Up. Both the hands up. To the side. Shake a little faster. Shake up. Wake up and shake up. Those connecting from India is so early time, right? 5 o'clock. Wake up and shake up. Shake up your whole body. Even the legs where you are sitting. Shake up your shoulders. Slow down. Gently slow down. And relax. Gently tilt your neck left to right. Just the neck. Your body still. Just neck to the right. Don't let your body move. Only the neck. Come in the middle. Breathe in, go back, stretch it back. And forward. Up. And down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your chin goes to the chest. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Chin to the chest. And come in the middle. Gently twist. This time just twisting. Looking back to the left. Keep your shoulders steady. Twist your neck to the left. Feel the stretch. Be with the stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out to the right. Don't move your shoulders. Look back. All the way back. Keep breathing. One more time to the left. Keep breathing. One more time to the right. And come in the middle. Take a long deep breath up. With a smile, breathe out. And now rotate. गर्दन को पूरी तरह घुमाएंगे. Shoulders steady. Breathe in, rotate. Gently, बहुत धीरे. Those having cervical spondylosis or any neck problem, be gentle. बहुत धीरे से करेंगे. Within your limit. Don't overdo. One more time. And slowly breathe out. Come forward. Opposite direction. Whatever you do, undo in yoga. जो भी करते हैं विपरीत दिशा में करेंगे हमेशा. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale one more time. Go anti-clockwise. Stretch your neck every time. Just go beyond. Breathe out. Gently relax. Open your eyes. Both the hands in front. Bring them towards the shoulder. Both the elbows facing forward, straight forward. And as you breathe out forcibly, extend your hands. हाथ को फैलाएंगे, सांस छोड़ेंगे. जोर से कपालभाति करेंगे. Keep it stretched out. Close your fist. अंगूठे को अंदर लेके फिस्ट दबाएं और जोर से सांस छोड़ते हुए उंगली को फैलाएंगे. Open your fingers. Breathe out. Breathe out completely. Breathe out from abdomen with a stroke. and relax. Both the hands parallel to each other. Just bend your wrist inside, in and out, in and out, in and out, in, out, in, out. Palm facing downwards. This time up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Close your face and rotate your wrist. हल्के से हाथ steady, don't move your hands, just the wrist. Follow the instructions. जो कुछ भी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जा रहा है उससे फॉलो करें. ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. योर एल्बोज आर स्टेडी and relax your shoulder. Breathe out forcibly. And relax. Both the hands stretched out over your shoulder and bring them forward. Elbows touching. दोनों एल्बो को आगे की ओर और पूरा सर्कल करेंगे. Go all the way back. Very gentle. Breathe in and breathe out. सांस के साथ करेंगे. Breathe in and breathe out. Opposite direction. विपरीत दिशा में करेंगे. And relax. Both the hands stretched out and gently rotate, keeping your elbow straight. Smaller circle with a smile. Bigger circle and bigger circle. Opposite direction. Bring them all the way front. बैठे बैठे स्विमिंग करेंगे. And relax your shoulder. Just rotate, keeping your hands steady over the knees and opposite direction. Relax. Gently twist your wrist. With the right hand goes to the left knee, the left hand going back. Look towards the left shoulder. Go to opposite direction. Again repeat. Press to 5 times. 5 बार करेंगे. This time just look at back from the left side. Keep this position. Little push with the right hand and twist little more. Keep breathing. Look back. Take another breath. Turn to the other side. ये हाथ से थोड़ा सा और पुश करें पीछे की ओर. And relax. Both the hands up. Namaskar. Stretch your hand. Stretch your hand up. दोनों हाथ को ऊपर. नमस्कार पोजीशन. दोनों हाथ को जोड़ दे ऊपर की ओर. कीप योर बॉडी स्ट्रेच्ड आउट, पूरा शरीर को ऊपर की ओर खींचने दे, एज इफ समबडी इज पुलिंग यू। कमर से खिंचावट, पूरा शरीर ऊपर। कीप ब्रीदिंग, स्टेडी, कीप ब्रीदिंग, कीप ब्रीदिंग एंड ब्रीद आउट। दोनों हाथ को पीछे से पकड़ लें, टक योर शोल्डर बैक, शोल्डर को पीछे की ओर खींचे, नजर ऊपर की ओर। टेक ए लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ, गो बैक एंड ब्रीद आउट, कम फॉरवर्ड। नाक को जमीन से लगाएं, if you want you can raise your hand. Keep breathing. लंबी गहरी सांस भरे और छोड़े। सांस छोड़ते हुए थोड़ा सा और जमीन से नजदीक आ जाए। As you breathe out, go little closer to the floor. Your forehead touching the ground. Take a long deep breath and up. Take another breath. This time turn to the right side. Go beyond your right knee. Go all the way beyond your right knee. Your left leg is steady. Don't let it rise. बायां पैर सीधा. Your chin goes beyond the knee and relax in this position. Keep breathing. गहरी लंबी सांस ले और छोड़े. सांस छोड़ते हुए थोड़ा सा और नीचे की ओर. स्थिरम सुखम आसनम. Take a long deep breath up and breathe out. Another breath up and to the left. Go beyond the knee. घुटने से आगे की ओर सीट को ले जाएं. गहरी लंबी सांस भरे और छोड़े. लांबो ઊંડો શ્વાસ લઈશું. શ્વાસ છોડતા છોડતા શરીરને વધારે ઢીલું કરીએ. થોડું વધારે ઝૂકીએ નીચે. શરીર અને મનની પરિસ્થિતિ એકદમ ઢીલી. લાંબો શ્વાસ અંદર and relax. Now stretch both the legs in front. दोनों पैर आगे की ओर फैलाएं and start चक्की. Olden days. Floor mill. Olden floor. So many people today. We have 35 guests today for dinner. Keep rotating. And opposite direction. पूरा सर्कल. आगे, पीछे, साइड. Big circle. Big circle. And relax. Gently. Let's be in a table pose. Both the hands and the legs equal distance between the hands and the shoulder. Equal distance between the hands and the legs. Gently take a long deep breath and breathe out, chin to the chest.
navel region goes up. Raise your spine towards the sky. Breathe in. Push your navel region down. कमर नीचे की ओर दबाएं, नजर ऊपर की ओर, गर्दन ऊपर. सांस छोड़े, छाती दाढ़ी से लगाएं, कमर को ऊपर की ओर खींचे. कमर में जो कुछ भी तनाव है इसे जाने दें. रिलैक्स योर स्पाइन्स. Alternate breathing in and out, raising your spine up and down. Cat stretch. And relax. Slowly lie down on your tummy. पेट पे लेट जाएं. Both the hands by the side. Chin touching the ground. Take a long deep breath and raise your leg. Right leg up, straight up, don't bend it from the knee. Keep breathing. Breathe out. Take another long deep breath. The left leg goes up. Totally stretched out. पूरा पैर सीधा रखेंगे. Keep breathing. Keep it steady. And breathe out. Close your fist. दोनों हथेली बंद करके जांघ की ओर, just below your abdomen, and gently breathe in and raise your legs, both the legs. दोनों पैर को साथ में ऊपर. Keep breathing. पूर्ण सलभासन. Your head is steady on the ground, only the legs up in the sky. Steady, keep breathing and breathe out. Gently, both the hands flat on the ground by the side of the shoulder. Both the legs are together, touching each other. Gently take a long deep breath and raise upper part of the body. नाभि से ऊपर का हिस्सा ऊपर, नाभि से नीचे का हिस्सा शरीर का जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ. You can straighten your elbows if you want. Look up towards the sky. The cobra pose. Look to the left. Look to the right. Look to the left. Look to the right. And gently come down. Both the hands in the front. दोनों हाथ को आगे की ओर फैला दें. Take a long deep breath. गहरी लंबी सांस भरे और हाथ और पैर दोनों ऊपर, just half a feet above the ground. Spider-Man. Keep both the hands and the legs stretched out in the sky. Steady. Keep breathing and relax. Breathe out. Bend your knees. Catch hold of your ankle. दोनों एंकल को पकड़ के गहरी लंबी सांस ले. एंड धनुरासन. Raise your head. Raise your legs. Keep breathing. Little more breath. And let go. Turn to your back. कमर पे लेट जाएं. दोनों हाथ थाइस पर रख दें. Keep your hands over the thighs. Take a long deep breath. As you breathe out, raise your legs and the hands. Board position. Keep breathing. Keep this position for a while. ऐसे ही आराम करें, विश्राम करें. जैसे लेट रहे हैं गद्दी पर. Let go. Bring your right foot close to the groin. Hold with the hands, both the knee. Bring it close to the chest. Take a long deep breath. As you breathe out, raise your head. Your left leg is straight on the ground. Keep breathing. Pavan Muktasan. Breathe out. And straighten your leg. The other leg very close to the groin, buttocks. Hold with both the hands. Bring it close to the chest. Take a long deep breath and breathe out. Your nose touching the knee. And let go. Hold the legs together. Catch hold of the knee. Bring it close. Raise your head. Gently turn up and down. Massage your back. Up and down. And relax. Straighten your left leg. Keep your right leg across the left knee. And turn your right knee to the left and look to the right. Relax. Bring your left leg across the right knee. बायां पैर दाहिने घुटने की साइड में रख दें. Left hand stretched out. Look to the left and push the left knee to the right. And relax. Gently turn to the right side. Take few long deep breaths. And gently sit up. Keep your right leg folded. Keep your right leg folded
below your buttocks. The left leg goes beyond the right knee. Cross. Look at the position properly. The right hand goes beyond the left knee and you look to the left. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Keep breathing and relax. The other side, the left leg folded, the heel goes below your buttocks, the right leg goes beyond the left knee, the right foot is beyond the left knee, the left hand goes beyond the right knee, and turn to the right. Look towards the right shoulder. And breathe out. Sit in Padmasana. Cross leg. Or Ardha Padmasana, whichever comfortable. Both the hands go up. Tadasana. Both the hands, pull them up in Namaskar position. Keep it steady. Let us smile. Breathe out. Both the hands at the back and gently turn forward. And breathe out. Sit comfortably. Both the hands facing the sky. Your back straight. कमर बिल्कुल सीधी, गर्दन सीधी, चेहरे पे हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट. Just observe your breath. पूरी ध्यान सांस की ओर. Just notice the difference in your body and the mind. शरीर और मन की परिस्थिति में जो बदलाव हो रहा है, उसे महसूस कीजिए. गहरी लंबी सांस भरें और छोड़ें. With eyes closed, let us take few long deep breaths. उज्जयी breath. गले में खींच कर सांस भरेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. पेट से सांस लें और पेट से छोड़ेंगे. Take a long deep breath. Observe your tummy. Your navel region goes out as you breathe in. Breathe out from the throat. Pull the navel region towards the spine. Abdominal breathing, the yogic way of breathing. Like a child. Observe the children breathing. They always breathe from abdomen. They always keep smiling. Let us be like a child. छोटा सा बच्चा हो जाए, पेट से सांस भरे और पेट से छोड़े. Count your breath as you breathe in. Just mentally count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your breath and release your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अपनी गति से सांस भरे, गहरी लंबी सांस छोड़े और भरे. मन ही मन काउंट करते जाएं, लंबी गहरी सांस भरे. 6 तक जाएं. अगर नहीं रुक पाते हैं तो 4 तक करें. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in that time and hold it for a while. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Slowly you can go up to 6 count. Don't be hurried to fill up the lungs and don't be hurried to exhale. गहरी लंबी सांस भरे और छोड़े. Both the hands in chin mudra. दोनों हथेली चिन मुद्रा में रखें या ज्ञान मुद्रा. Keep breathing with a smile and breathe out with a smile. 3 more breaths. और 3 बार सांस भरे और छोड़ेंगे. Relax. Sit comfortably. We'll do straw breathing. जैसे straw से पानी पीते हैं वैसे ही just observe first. Take a long deep breath and raise your head. सांस भरते हुए गर्दन ऊपर और सांस मुंह से निकालेंगे. थोड़ा सा मुंह खोल के ऐसे स्ट्रोक से निकालेंगे थोड़ी थोड़ी बार. सांस अंदर, सांस अंदर, मुंह से सांस बाहर. Let us do 5 times straw breathing. Breathe in, raise your head. With 5 to 6 strokes, breathe out. 5 से 6 बार करते हुए सांस मुंह से बाहर निकालेंगे. नाक से सांस भरेंगे. और एक बार. और एक बार. और एक बार. कपाल भाती करेंगे. 1 राउंड 20 strokes. दोनों हथेली आकाश की ओर खुली। इन कपालभाति प्राणायाम, close your eyes and breathe out forcibly. Exhalation is forcibly pulling your navel region towards the spine. पेट को अंदर खींचते हुए पूरे स्ट्रोक के साथ सांस बाहर निकालेंगे। सांस आपो आप अंदर भर जाएगी। Like this with from the nose. Keep your mouth shut. Okay? Let's do together. Both the hands facing the sky, your back straight, shoulder relaxed. Gentle smile, breathe in and Kapalbhati. And relax. Keep your eyes closed. गहरी लंबी सांस ले और छोड़े. Observe your mind. Back straight. We'll do Kapalbhati one more round. Forcibly breathe out. No effort in breathing. सांस लेने में कोई परिश्रम ना करें. सांस छोड़ते हुए पेट को अंदर खींचे. जितना खींचा जाए उतना अंदर खींचे और जोर से सांस बाहर. Take a long deep breath. And relax. Relax your hands, shoulders, back. Just observe your mind. पूरा ध्यान मन की परिस्थिति पर. मन खाली हो रहा है उसे महसूस कीजिए. No more thoughts coming up. The body is relaxed. We'll do the energy pranayama, the Bhastrika pranayama or bellow breathing. Both the hands folded, elbows touching gently by the side of your chest. Close your fist. जो पहली बार जुड़े हुए हैं वो देख लें. एक बार देख लें पहले, बाद में साथ में करेंगे. Those who joined for the first time, just observe. Your hands are folded, your shoulders are relaxed, your elbows are touching the chest, your fists are closed by the side of your shoulder. शरीर बिल्कुल ढीला है. आंखें बंद रखेंगे. इन भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, क्लोज योर आईज. योर स्पाइन आर इरेक्ट. गर्दन कमर बिल्कुल सटी हुई. चेहरे पे हल्की ऐसे मुस्कुराहट के साथ. When you breathe in forcibly, बहुत जोर से सांस भरेंगे. छाती में भरें और सांस छोड़ते हुए बिल्कुल छाती को खाली कर दें. हाथ ऊपर और सांस अंदर. See this. Okay, let's do it together. साथ में करेंगे. Both the hands folded, spine erect, कमर बिल्कुल सीधी, नजर सामने की ओर, आंखें बंद. Close your eyes, shoulder relaxed, back straight. Close your face, take a long deep breath. And let go. Take another long deep breath. Breathe out, this time completely emptying the chest. पूरी सांस बाहर. भस्त्रिका के लिए सांस अंदर, हाथ ऊपर. In 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 10. And relax. Keep your eyes closed. दोनों आंखें बंद रखेंगे. हथेली खुली आकाश की ओर. Both the palms facing the sky, over your thighs. Just feel the energy in your body. Each and every cell of your body is charged up. शरीर में जो कुछ शक्ति का संचार हो रहा है उसे महसूस कीजिए. उसी के साथ रहे. Let's take Bhastrika second round. Position of your hands. Keep your shoulder relaxed. Gently breathe in and let go. Breathe in again and let go. Bhastrika in and hands up. In 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6. And relax. Both the hands facing the sky. Gently sit comfortably. आराम से बैठ जाएं, आंखें बंद रखें. Just feel the energy in your body. Gentle smile over your face. चेहरे पे हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट ना भूलें. Do alternate nostril breathing. The left hand goes in the chin mudra over the left thigh. The right hand, thumb pressing the right nostril. The ring finger closing the left nostril. Middle two finger over your Agya chakra or at the point of your bindi, forehead, in the center between the eyebrows. The right hand pressing the right nostril, middle two finger over the forehead, shoulders are relaxed, back straight. Take a long deep breath from the left. Let go from the left first time. Let's begin the round. Breathe in from the left. Very gentle, slow breathing. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Hold the breath, press the left nostril, open the right nostril and let go from the right very gently. हल्के से सांस को धीरे 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 बाहर निकालें. Breathe in from the right again. Hold the breath, press the right side, breathe out from the left. दाएं से सांस अंदर. Hold. बाएं से बाहर. Breathe in. As you breathe in, just feel the energy coming inside your body. जैसे सांस भरते हैं शरीर में शक्ति का संचार हो रहा है, उसे महसूस कीजिए. Just be with the feeling of energy as you breathe in. Hold the breath. As you breathe out, let your stress, the tension, the aches and pains from the body, let go. सांस छोड़ते हुए शरीर में जो कुछ भी तनाव है, जो कुछ भी स्ट्रेस है, जकड़पन है, जहीं पे पीड़ा है, दर्द है, वो सब बाहर निकल रहा है, वो महसूस कीजिए. Keep breathing from left to right. Alternate nostril breathing. नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायामा. Anulom Vilom Pranayama at your own speed. Relaxing your body and let go all your thoughts. Let go all your tension, your stress accumulated over a period of time. Let go as you breathe out. Two more rounds. Eyes closed, shoulder relaxed, back straight. Just feel all your nadis getting cleansed up. All your channels of prana all getting cleansed up. Becoming more and more healthier and happier. And relax as you breathe out from the left. Both the hands relax. Let's get ready for Bhramari Pranayama. The thumb pressing the ear. दोनों अंगूठे कान को दबाते हुए. Two fingers over the closed eyes and two fingers over the forehead. Take a long deep breath. As you breathe out, make humming noise. भंवरे की तरह आवाज करते हुए, गुनगुनाते हुए सांस बाहर निकालेंगे. नाक से सांस बाहर, मुंह बंद. Another breath. Another breath. Sit comfortably with closed eyes. You can sit in Sukhasana if you are sitting in Padmasana or Vajrasana. Be comfortable in the chair or on the floor. Meditate for a few minutes. Both the hands facing the sky. Keeping your eyes closed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Take a long and deep breath. And let go. Relaxing your body. Take another long deep breath. As you breathe out, relax from the toes all the way to the head. गहरी लंबी सांस भरेंगे और सांस छोड़ते हुए पैर से सिर तक पूरा शरीर को ढीला करते जाएं। Relax your toes. Relax both your feet. Take another long and deep breath. Relax your lower legs, the thighs, the knees. Let go all your tension from the muscles. मसल में जो कुछ भी तनाव है उसको ढीला करते जाएं, सांस छोड़े और ढीला करें। With a smile, take another long deep breath and relax your lower back, your abdomen, नाभि, छाती, your back. With every breath out, relax your shoulders. खंबे ढीले कर दें. Relax your arms, your palm, हथेली, उंगलियां सब ढीली करते जाएं. कमर बिल्कुल सीधी रखें. चेहरे पे हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट ना भूलें. Relax your face as you breathe out. Relax your neck, forehead. Relax whole body. पूरा शरीर ढीला. Just observe your body. Be witness of your body. अपने शरीर को मन ही मन देखते जाएं. This body is the precious gift from the God. ईश्वर से दी हुई एक बहुत कीमती गिफ्ट है. इस शरीर को मन ही मन आलिंगन करें. मन ही मन शरीर को आलिंगन करते हुए सांस छोड़े और सांस. Embrace your body. Mentally just embrace your body. Your body is still. There is no movement in your body, just the breath. Observe your breath, getting subtle. No more efforts in breathing. सांस अपने आप चल रही है. चलने दे. मन ही मन उसे देखते जाएं. शरीर और सांस चल रहा है. Gently bring your attention to the tip of the nostril. नाक की टोची पर हल्के से ध्यान ले जाएं. Just bring the attention. No more efforts. वहीं से सांस अंदर जा रही है, वहीं से सांस बाहर निकल रही है. वहीं से सांस अंदर, वहीं से सांस बाहर. Feel the air going in and out from the tip of your nostril. Just feeling the air, the same air in the atmosphere goes in and goes out. If you can notice the difference in the temperature of the air, just try to notice the difference. आसपास के वातावरण में, परिसर में जो कुछ भी आवाज आ रही है, उसे स्वीकार करें. Gently accept all the sound in the atmosphere. Just be with it. Maybe the soft music or any other sound. Just be with the sound. No more efforts. इसी क्षण न कुछ करना है, न कुछ जानना है, न महसूस करना है. Just be the witness. You are nothing, you want nothing, and you do nothing in this moment. Just be the witness of the surroundings, of your breath, and of your body. Let go all your thoughts. मन ही मन जो कुछ भी विचार आ रहा है, उसे रोकेंगे नहीं. Let go all your feelings, your emotions become hollow and empty. मन ही मन खाली होते जाए. With a smile, take a long and deep breath. And let go. Relax completely. पूरा विश्राम करें. Slowly take a long and deep breath and let go. Take another long deep breath for Omkar. As you breathe out, chant Om. Another breath. One more. With a smile, take a breath in and let go. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently become aware of your surroundings. Become aware of your body. Become aware of your breath, your thoughts. Take a long deep breath with awareness. पूरी सजगता के साथ सांस भरेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. With a smile, take another long deep breath. And with a smile, let go. Slowly and gently take another breath. As you breathe out, whenever you feel complete and total at your own speed, gently and softly you can open your eyes. Namaste.